In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice in Soundtrap. We'll walk through getting into your project, adding a voice track, choosing a preset, and getting a clean recording, all in a simple, beginner-friendly way. First, go to Soundtrap in your web browser. For the smoothest experience, a modern browser is best. Log into your account as you normally would. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone later, be ready to allow it so Soundtrap can hear your input. Once you're in, head to your projects. This is where all your work lives and where you can quickly pick up where you left off. Select your project to open it. If you're starting fresh, choose the project you want to record into so everything stays organized. Next, click on Studio. This opens the main workspace where you'll see tracks, the timeline, and your recording controls. Take a second to let everything load, especially if your project already has multiple tracks. Now click on Add Track. This tells Soundtrap you're ready to bring in a new element. From the options that appear, click on Voice and Mic. This sets up a track specifically designed for recording spoken word or vocals with the right input routing and tools. Before we get rolling, select a preset. Presets give you a helpful starting sound, often with EQ, compression, and noise control tailored for voice. You can always adjust later, but choosing one now can make your recording sound clearer right from the start. As you prepare to record, make sure your mic is properly set up. Confirm the correct microphone is selected as the input inside Soundtrap. Check your system's audio settings if needed, and keep your input level healthy, loud enough to be clear but not clipping into the red. Using headphones helps prevent echo, and positioning the mic a few inches from your mouth at a slight angle can reduce plosives. If you're in a lively room, soft furnishings or a simple reflection filter can make a big difference. With that in place, start recording. Click the record button on the transport bar, speak naturally, and watch the meter to ensure your levels are consistent. If the meter spikes into red, lower your input gain a bit. If it barely moves, raise it so your voice is captured cleanly. When you're done with a take, you can review what you captured and adjust the preset settings if you want a little more clarity or warmth. And that's it. Go to Soundtrap, log in, go to your projects, select your project, click on Studio, add a track, choose voice and mic, select a preset, start recording, and make sure your mic is properly set up for clean professional results.